Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So I know you have not come here to see my face, you have come to see the blue beast, the Ford 7.6. So she is out with the PZ Haybob on the back end. This is still the same day as the mowing day. I figured I'd rather get the footage today, knowing that I can get it rather than throughout the week, but I might be able to get some stuff going on, so we'll keep up with that. Right, on to this. Hope you enjoy the video, guys, and remember to drop us a comment down below on what you think on everything going on here. And if you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, ring the little bell for notifications of our journey here in Pembrokeshire. We haven't even been in 2 years yet, and this is our second cut for hay, so enjoy the videos. So what do you guys reckon on these gates then? So obviously they weren't like that, we painted them, but they are a lot better than the ones we had. God, he's definitely going faster this year. I cannot keep up with him this year. Jesus! He's definitely sped up. Yeah, them gates, so got them set open in the tedding position. I think they're spreading out our grass quite nicely. Let's have a quick look at some of this grass anyway. Oh, look at that. Oh, you know what, guys, I am most excited for what we call the hay sniff. That will be coming next week. Pick up that grass and that hay, or smell the sweet flavors of it. So what do you reckon on the drone footage and that then? You gotta let me know what you think on all that. Getting some good camera angles in, and we'll keep going.
At the bottom for the ocean, I'm at the bottom of the sea.
Look at it. Oh wow, just look at it, guys. Come on, that is just pure quality grass, great consistency. And the best part, I think the best part is the weather. So it's not as hot as last year. This window's a little bit more cooler, but it's beautiful. It's lovely being out here recording, using the GoPro, using the drone. So nice to try and get these different camera angles in. We were visited by the red kite again earlier. Couldn't get the camera out in time. We've got a decent Canon camera with some good lenses, so just couldn't get out in time with it, unfortunately. Okay guys, so I'm going to leave this video here. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, ring the little bell for notifications of our journey here. If you want to catch all these videos, and if you want to see us making hay with the New Holland 68 baler in the next couple of days, then keep an eye out for that. Also, please drop us a comment down below on what you think on the Blue Beast, the Ford 7.6 with the PZ Haybob on the back end. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in our next video. Take care.